Dogs. Should I call them big, clumsy furballs? Noisy companions? Well, the thing is, I don't like dogs. They just don't seem right to me. More of a cat person myself, if you ask. Okay, maybe I'm being too harsh on dogs, but oh, come on. Dogs need constant attention. I mean, they probably need your attention when you just want to relax. Dogs are noisy, messy, and basically like big, clumsy wolves. Think for a minute. Would you keep a wolf in your house that needs constant attention and slobbers everywhere? Would you? See? I am right. Dogs are just wrong. I think I also know how God made dogs. Should I tell you? Okay, he took a bunch of loud noises and lots of dirt and shaped them into a big sloppy creature, and then he sprinkled a whole lot of drool and poured gallons and gallons of neediness on them. And then, just to finish the creation, God put wagging tails that knock everything over. I mean, look at those wagging tails. They would make a mess out of anything, and the devil himself would look at God and say, "Whoa, dude, that's too much, even for me." If you are a dog-obsessed human being, if those types of humans even exist, then I hope that you survive the rest of your dog-ridden life. And do not get me started on puppies. Dogs are already noisy creatures, but puppies? It's like the devil dressed in the clothes of God, but with an extra dollop of chaos and energy. Big dogs are fine. It's just that they tick me off a bit as well. They are just domesticated wolves, minus the mess and adding a tank full of drool, noise, and clumsiness. And no, I am not a cat, not even slightly. Maybe. I can't lie to you, yes, I am a cat. But don't be so quick to judge me. Let me tell you about the neighbor's dog, Mr. Woof Woof. It was a dark and stormy night. I wandered to my cozy bed, next to my owner's warm, fluffy slippers. Then I saw it. A silly grin and a clumsy wag. A dog. I was in danger. It stumbled up to me. My owner was quite unaware. It took one big sloppy paw and knocked over my food bowl and took my food.